Hey, how are you doing? Are you looking for that perfect retirement home or something even with great schools for your kids? This is it. Let's go check it out.
One of the first things you're going to notice is just how peaceful and quiet it is. Nestled in the mountains in Rutledge, right on Holston River, backing up to the edge of the river. Looking from the river, you can see the 1.5 acres this house sits on, with the house at the top of the hill, and in the back you can see the plants that this house has. In the front and backyard, we are boasting raspberry bushes, blueberry, apple, cherry, peach, and nectarine. At the top of the hill, right behind the house, you'll see a chicken coop that comes with it. And hey, chickens, if you want them, they'll come with it too. Starting with the 2-car garage, you can see it can definitely hold more than 2 cars with the workspace in there. Inside the garage are the stairs that go up to the attic with a loft up there for an additional bedroom if you'd like. The first thing you're going to notice as soon as you walk in are the beautiful hardwood floors. The living room is going to open up to a massive kitchen with lots of cabinetry and lights under the cabinets to be able to see while you're cooking. Moving behind the kitchen to the rear wing of the house is going to be one of your first full bathrooms. Next to that is going to be a large guest bedroom. Next to the guest bedroom is going to be the utility room. Moving up to the front wing of the house, we have the full bathroom up here, leading into the master bedroom, which you can see is huge with a catty-corner bed. Leading into the master closet and a beautiful master bathroom. Keep in mind that all of the furniture is negotiable aside from the pieces in the bedrooms. The wraparound porch allows you to have views no matter where you're sitting on it. So sit back, have a beer, and watch the sunset.